You've probably heard this phrase one too many times. These are unprecedented times, but it's true. Industries of every kind have experienced shortages. Labor and material shortages have created delays and order backups like never before, and they're only getting worse. In this video, we will outline the top 2 reasons why you shouldn't wait to start your next project and what your next steps should be if you're ready to jump in. Hi, I'm Steve McNary and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. When you order something online, maybe a new television or refrigerator, it can be shocking to see expect delays in an order confirmation email. Before you know it, you're waiting weeks to months on end for your order to come in. The home improvement industry is no different. Lead times for new windows, siding, doors, and even paint are longer than ever before. If you've been considering replacing your windows, upgrading your stove, or remodeling your outdoor patio, you shouldn't wait any longer. The first reason why you should not wait to start your next project is that lead times are longer than they've ever been. This means that from the time your order is placed for your new windows, siding, paint, or whatever it may be, the time it comes in has increased exponentially over the past couple years. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed everything and created more obstacles to keep up with the demand for products and services. There are 3 major reasons why lead times have become so long. First, factories, warehouses, and some businesses have had to close. Some have closed temporarily for safety reasons. Others have closed permanently after they couldn't survive a temporary closure. This has created a massive delay and backup of orders as contractors and manufacturers try to catch up. Secondly, demand is higher than ever. The pandemic shut many offices down and forced people to stay at home. Lots of folks are spending more time at home than ever before, allowing them to notice things they may not have before and long for something to be upgraded. Third, labor shortages across all stages of the industry. After factories and businesses were forced to close their offices, some had to lay off many of their employees. Some of these employees decided not to return to their old work and find something new. Longer lead times are the first reason why you shouldn't wait to start your next project. Number 2, cost continues to rise. New windows, new siding, new carpet, even the cost of new shoes is higher than ever before. That's just the nature of our economy. Not only does the cost of building materials increase every year naturally, but some manufacturers have increased their prices in order to make up for the business they may have lost over the past couple of years. The cost of materials, labor, and installation for your home improvement project is only going to continue to increase the more time goes on. Any home improvement project is a large investment and can be intimidating. If the cost of a project is the only thing holding you back from starting, you will not want to wait any longer. What should you do next? Now that you know the top 2 reasons why you shouldn't wait to start your next project, you're probably wondering what your next steps are. Whether you're still on the fence or ready to look for a contractor, here's what you should do next. If you're on the fence, before contacting a contractor and taking the next steps, you need to outline your wants, goals, and needs for your project. What type of product do you want? What are the benefits and drawbacks of those products? How is it installed? How much are you looking to pay? Reading articles and watching educational videos from different sources will help you understand all aspects of your project in the detail you need. Education is your best defense mechanism as a homeowner when it comes to getting a high-quality project. Knowing the right answer before asking a contractor a specific question allows you to sort out a great contractor from one who doesn't know what they're doing. Once you're ready to start your project, if you're ready to look for a contractor, researching is also key. Knowing what to look for in a contractor and red flags to spot will also allow you to find a high-quality contractor that will give you a successful project. Read real client reviews. Look at pictures of their work online. Analyze their website and social media. The more research you do, the better you can find the right contractor for you and waste less time enduring multiple consultations with contractors that just aren't right for you. Although you might not be ready to take the leap and start your next project just yet, now you know more about why you shouldn't wait any longer to get started. Lead times are longer than they've ever been and they're only going to get longer. This means that if you wait until next year to start your project, It's possible you may have to wait until 2023 for your new windows to come in, and they might cost you even more. If you want more information on the contractor selection process, check out the link in the description below that highlights the 6 things you want to ask a contractor. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.